There's a poem in every flower, a sonnet in every tree, a tale in every lifetime. It's just for you to see. There's a lyric in every brook as it rushes over rocks. There's an odd in every nuance as love's wonder unlocks. There's rhythm in every sound, every beating of a heart. There's poetry in every union, in every couple who are apart. And just as there is wonder in every new life created, there is sadness and regret for the unsaid and unfaded. Just listen for the music that your ears cannot hear. Just strain yourself for the melody that's so far yet so near. The wonder of the Creator, the magic of the divine, is there to feel for all of us. To soon be yours and mine.